BOOZHOO, Niche, Anishinaabe, Do, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO. And today's song is, what's the song called?
You know, I never remember. It's not called Hearts and Thoughts, but that's what I always call it.
Okay, this is a song by Pearl Jam, and it's not called Hearts and Thoughts, but nobody remembers what it's called. Anyway, all right, take it away, sweetie.
I swear I recognize your face, hauntingly familiar yet I can't seem to place it. Can I find a candle of thought to light your name? Lifetime is catching up with me. All these changes take place. I wish I'd seen your face. Perhaps that's what no one wants to see. Hearts and thoughts, they fade away. Hearts and thoughts, they fade away. I swear I recognize your breath. Memories like fingerprints are slowly reaching, but he wouldn't recall. For I'm not my former. It's hard when you're stuck upon the shelf. I change by not changing at all. This small town predicts my fall. Perhaps that's what no one wants at all. But I just wanna scream, hello, my God, it's been so long. I've returned, but now here you are, and here I am. Hearts and thoughts, they fade away. 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 Fade away.
Oh, what? Okay, well, hey, there you have it. If you want to support the show, you can always become a Patreon supporter. Just click the link, and you get some gifts if you support us monthly. And we also have a PayPal. You can always support us on PayPal. And check out the link to Amazon, and you can see some of or all of Michael's books. Oh, what else? What am I forgetting, sweetie?
How about Teespring?
Oh, yeah. And we also have merchandise for sale. So, if you'd like to buy a t-shirt, click on the link to, Teespring. Okay, well, hey, you want to add anything, sweetie?
Now, why don't you send us out?
Okay. Okay, then, just want to say thank you for watching. Miigwech, gonna wabiek. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Ikawapamin, Minawa. Oh, what? Woohoo!